Hi, I'm Marty Norton from Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here to check out my newest listing at 308 King Street in Oxford, Maine. It is a 2-unit, and we're gonna walk down the screened-in porch initially, and then we're gonna check out the first unit. So let's go. Really nice screened-in porch for those late afternoon days. All right, and here's the first unit, first floor, and this is a 1-bedroom, and you're looking at a living room here, and the current renters use this as an office. Over here is a little area for dining, and it's a nice bathroom, tiled floor, which you can slip in fairly easily. And as we walk this way, we're going to walk right into the master bedroom. And keep in mind there are renters here, and they pay $1,400 per month. Nice closet, hardwood floors. And we're walking into a dining room, which they use as a kind of a rumpus room or just a living room, period. And the kitchen. This house has a public water and a septic system, private septic. Got a dishwasher, electric range, refrigerator, and it's nice and airy here, a lot of light. Next, we're gonna go upstairs, see the second and third floor. Into the barn. We have a lot of space here, both the first floor and the second floor. A lot of storage, a lot of historically significant area here, and check it out when you arrive here. We're going to go up to the second floor, but before we do, I want to just point out, here's one of the 100 amp service out here in the barn. We're going to go upstairs to access the second floor. You can actually go into the first floor apartment right there. Come up to the second floor of the barn. You have all this extra storage space here. So there's a lot of places to put your holiday decorations and such. And over here, you have an exercise room right here. Maybe a little office, maybe a little place for a guest bedroom, but it's all right, we're going to go into the second floor. Before we do, we have a little foyer area there for clothing, a little area here for storage and clothing and things. You have tile floors. Walking right into the kitchen, you've got a butcher block island that stays. Double sinks here. And again, right behind you over here, you got a couple of closets, coat closets, pantry. There's a nice pantry area right here. And as I said, fully applianced. You have a pellet stove right here that heats the entire second and third floor. You also have heat pumps right up here on the wall. So that is your heat source. Dining room, this is the living room area here. And again, there's plenty of storage in this place. Down here, we have a nice full bathroom, tile floor, shower, tub. And then over here, we have a front room, and we also have access outside down the stairs to the front door. Here is a nice big bedroom that is usable. Carpet floors, very spacious, plenty of closet space here. I love the hardwood floors all over and the tile. Very bright here, and all the windows are updated replacement windows. We're going to head upstairs. Again, a nice little perch here, a little reading room, maybe an office space here. We're going to go right into the little deck out here. You take a look out there, you'll see a nice spot for maybe morning coffee or an afternoon adult beverage. And you're looking at 2.5 acres of land. We're going to walk right into the master bedroom. We're on the 3rd floor. This is the master bedroom here. This is one of 3 bedrooms on the 3rd floor and 1 bedroom on the 2nd floor. So over here, in the laundry area, sink, bathroom, tub, shower. Again, you have access. This is in the 2nd bedroom right here. Nice little spacious bedroom with some walk-ins. You got storage here, and then you have a walk-in closet down at the end. Okay. So next we're going to go to the 3rd bedroom. 3rd bedroom is unique. It has not only, this is, we're inside the turret. This is a Victorian home with a turret. We also have a loft area above. The ladder is in the garage. If you want to utilize that, it's there for the taking. All right, so closets. We have some closet space here. Okay, let's head out now. Okay, to end, I just want to remind you that this is a 2-unit located in Oxford, Maine, and the 1st floor apartment has 1 bedroom. The 2nd floor and 3rd floor have 4 bedrooms. The property has a nice wraparound, screened-in porch, big barn, and close to 2.5 acres of land. It should be hitting the market next week, probably Tuesday or Wednesday. If you are working with a broker, reach out to your broker and have them set up a showing. And if you are not working with a broker, feel free to call me, Marty Norton, Keller Williams Realty, a member of the Markup team, and my number is 207-408-6861. Bye.